Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the incredible benefits of lemongrass, especially for those of us over 50. You won't believe what this amazing herb can do. Stay tuned. Lemongrass, a staple in many cuisines, is not just for flavor. It's packed with health benefits that can make a significant difference as we age. Let's get started with our top 16 benefits. As we get older, inflammation can become a common issue. Lemongrass contains compounds that can help reduce inflammation, which is great for conditions like arthritis. Lemongrass is rich in antioxidants. These help combat oxidative stress and protect our cells from damage, keeping us feeling and looking younger. Aiding digestion is another fantastic benefit. Lemongrass can alleviate bloating, constipation, and other gastrointestinal issues. Studies suggest that lemongrass can help lower cholesterol levels, promoting heart health and reducing the risk of heart disease. Maintaining healthy blood pressure is crucial, especially as we age. Lemongrass has been shown to help keep those numbers in check. Lemongrass has diuretic properties, which means it helps in detoxifying the body by promoting frequent urination, flushing out toxins. By aiding digestion and boosting metabolism, lemongrass can help in maintaining a healthy weight. Lemongrass possesses antibacterial and antifungal properties, which can help prevent infections and keep our immune system strong. Speaking of the immune system, lemongrass can boost it, helping us fight off common illnesses more effectively. Lemongrass is great for the skin. It can help reduce acne, improve skin tone, and keep our skin looking vibrant. It's also beneficial for our hair, promoting hair growth and reducing dandruff. 12. Stress relief. Lemongrass has calming properties that can help reduce stress and anxiety, promoting overall mental well-being. 13. Pain relief. Topical application of lemongrass oil can relieve muscle pain and headaches. 14. Improved sleep. Lemongrass tea can promote better sleep quality, helping us wake up refreshed and energized. 15. Anti-cancer potential. Preliminary studies suggest that lemongrass may have anti-cancer properties, particularly in preventing the growth of certain cancer cells. 16. Respiratory health. Lemongrass can help alleviate symptoms of colds and flu, such as coughs and nasal congestion. So there you have it, 16 incredible benefits of lemongrass, especially for those of us over 50. Incorporating this amazing herb into your diet and lifestyle can make a big difference in your health. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and recipes. Thanks for watching. See you.